Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 5. As we are discussing the topic about the South Asian countries, today we have to discuss the South Asian countries, that is Maldives. The name of the Maldives is Republic of Maldives, which is also called Maldives Island, because Maldives is situated on an island, and island is a place or an land which is surrounded by water. The flag of the Maldives is red and green in the rectangle shape, and it has a crescent on it, not the star, only a crescent on it. Don't replace the red color with the green and the green color with the red. The red is the outline and the green is the inner part, and make a crescent. Crescent means moon. Now, what religion do the Maldives people practice? Constitution of the Maldives designates Islam as the state religion. Only the Muslims are allowed to hold citizenship in the country, and the citizens may only practice Islam. Maldives is an purely Islamic country. No other citizens are allowed to get their citizenship. They can visit, but they cannot get the citizenship. The people living in the Maldives are purely belong to the religion Islam. Let's talk about the provinces in the Maldives. Maldives is divided into 7 provinces. The 26 natural atolls and other isolate islands groups are divided into make up to 21 divisions. There are many subparts and divisions of Maldives. Altogether, there are 7 provinces. Maldives consists of the 7 provinces. Now, what language do the Maldives people speak? While Devi is the national language of Maldives, many Maldives also speak and understand English, French, German, Russian, Italian, Chinese are also widely used at the resorts. As the Maldives, I told you, it is an island, so it is a very good tourist place. Many type of peoples come and visit over there, although they cannot get the citizenship, permanent residency, but they often come and they speak the different kind of language. The original Maldives language is Devi, but the people living in the Maldives easily understand English, French, German, Russian, Italian and Chinese also.